Hello, I'm going to show you some insights today on how to create social media content without losing one single brain cell. It's going to be effortlessly, it's going to be easy, and you're going to feel comfortable doing it. You're going to have just to be you. You see, the way people perceive social media has nothing to do with education, logical analysis, news or information, or even buying and selling. We need to understand that people enter social media. It's just like entering a room to be entertained, amused, and maybe, only maybe, to let somebody else know exactly what they think. That is actually what you must focus on to create social media content every day. Realistically, I say that actually content has to be stupidly created, has to be foolishly created. Content has to be emotional. People want to see what you have inside, what you are inside. People want to see your feelings, the real you. And then they will decide if they like you or not, if they will relate, engage or not. This technique that I use is called the Opinionator. And I know you've never heard that one before, but that's the way I call it, the Opinionator. So it's simple. To create your first video, you're going to become an opinionator. And let me show you how to do that. This is what I call the partially true opinionator. Let me show you this example. I found this post on the internet the other day, and it says that a job will fill your pockets and a career will fill your soul. Is that really true? Is that absolutely true? Well, partially. Let me show you my opinion. I would say, well, the post is partially true, but it only works for about 10% of the population. You see, 90% of the population, their jobs don't fill their pockets. And on the other side, most people don't have a choice to a career. Most people have to just go to work to survive. Now, at this point, I'm going to tell my audience how once I lived through an experience like this. How am I doing in my job? Is it really filling my pockets? Have I chosen, or am I in the career that I really wanted to be? I'm going to try and relate my audience to my personal experiences. That's why they want to hear. People don't care about statistics. They don't care. They care about how this relates to you and how that's going to relate to them. So you're going to tell them that story. So let me go into emotional opinionator mode and show you. I found a post the other day that says that if you do break, take a couple of days, heal your wounds, come back again, and start like brand new. Again, my heart speaks, and I would say that is partially true also. Here's what I will say. There's many other relevant or important parts that will actually prevent us from being happy. How about deceptions, poor health, critical mistakes, depression, despair? All those things also prevent us from happiness, and they're extremely important. So I say, if happiness depended on these things, wouldn't it be a lot more easy for every one of us to be a lot more happy, or actually happy? Now it's time once again to show them something from you, from your inside. How you became happy, why you are unhappy, how do you think you can achieve happiness? Try and relate with the audience. I'm pretty sure 90% of what you're doing is the same thing they're doing too. Finally, we have the You Are Correct Opinionator, and I'm going to show you an example of that one too. That will actually make you see things from a very different angle. In my emotional opinion, this guy is absolutely 100% true. Mental health issues will work with everybody in your community. Now, tell your audience once when you needed to take a break. Why did you took that break? How did you come back? When you came back, how was coming back? How good it made you feel? So why kill yourself? Just use the opinionator mode like my friend Slayer. Make sure that all those content demons inside of you, all that fear, shame, just goes out of you. Start recording your own videos. So here's the opinionator mode. It's basically voicing your thoughts and making them into a video. There you go. That's a strategy. Start making your videos. Go out on the internet. Express yourself. Engage. So come on, all you future content creators and video makers, take a leap, go out there, check the internet. There's lots of posts out there. Thank you very much. I'll see you in episode 2, where you're going to meet Jack Tech. super technical superhero from the Joe Truth miniseries. Don't miss it. Jack Tech is going to make a big, big difference in your life. Thank you. See you soon.